What's the meaning of bicarbonate of soda? Bicarbonate of soda. Bicarbonate of soda.
Bicarbonate of soda. Bicarbonate of soda. Bicarbonate of soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a white crystalline powder that is commonly used in baking and cooking as a leavening agent. It helps dough and batters rise by producing carbon dioxide gas when it reacts with an acid or liquid. Besides its culinary uses, bicarbonate of soda also has many other applications. It is often used as an antacid to relieve heartburn and indigestion, as a cleaning agent for household surfaces, and as a personal care product for oral hygiene and skin care. Bicarbonate of soda is generally safe for consumption in moderate amounts, but excessive intake can lead to unpleasant side effects such as bloating and diarrhea.